So, you've heard about PocketGuard, right? This amazing app that promises to help you save money, budget better, and reach your financial goals. But have you ever wondered, where exactly is PocketGuard located? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind this popular financial tool. PocketGuard, with its sleek interface and user-friendly features, has quickly become a go-to app for many. It's a digital financial assistant that analyzes your spending habits, suggests ways to save, and even helps you negotiate bills. But where does this innovative app come from? Unveiling the location. While PocketGuard might seem like a global entity, it's actually rooted in a specific location. The company behind PocketGuard is based in the United States. The U.S. connection. The United States has long been a hub for technological innovation, and fintech is no exception. Many of the world's leading financial apps and services have their origins in the U.S. This rich tech ecosystem, coupled with a strong regulatory framework, has provided the ideal environment for companies like PocketGuard to thrive. Why the U.S.? So, why did PocketGuard choose to be based in the U.S.? There are a few key reasons. Strong tech infrastructure. The U.S. boasts a robust tech infrastructure, including advanced data centers, high-speed internet, and a skilled workforce. This infrastructure is essential for developing and maintaining a complex app like PocketGuard. Investor landscape. The U.S. is home to a vibrant venture capital and private equity scene. This means that startups like PocketGuard have access to significant funding to fuel their growth and innovation. Regulatory environment. While the U.S. regulatory landscape can be complex, it provides a stable and predictable environment for businesses. This regulatory framework helps to protect consumers and ensure fair competition. The global impact. Even though PocketGuard is based in the U.S., its impact is felt worldwide. Millions of users across the globe rely on this app to manage their finances. This global reach is a testament to the app's effectiveness and the growing demand for innovative financial tools. So, the next time you open your PocketGuard app and marvel at its features, remember that it's the product of a team of talented individuals based in the United States. This knowledge adds a layer of appreciation to the app, knowing that it's a piece of American innovation helping people worldwide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.